Listen to that sound. Oh. And to say this wasn't here last year, this spring, it just like, this was a summer job. It's like it's always just had to be here. How's everyone doing? Look, there's even more leaves. Like, where are these things coming from? Still really windy. I don't know if you watched my video from yesterday. If not, check it out. Look at our guy there just flipping around. Like, it was like, just going. Look at these big guys. How about we give them a little fee? So we just hit 1,400 subscribers. Yeah, just like that. I thought just not long ago we were at 1,000, and boom, just like that. Oh look, they're all coming. Like food. Oh, the water's super clear. Makes me feel good. Oh yeah. Here, let's get them from over here. Totally shouldn't be feeding them, but you know, it was only a little bit. These guys have been through. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that's a great shot. Oh man, they look so good. It's so bare without the water lily here. So great news. Great news. That water lily is doing really good. So I had like it was blooming. Now it's so good. So I'm super excited that, and I have some faith that it might survive the winter. Who knows? Look at them go. You know, it's so sad to say that they're gonna just like go down to the bottom, right to the bottom. But that's what's gonna happen. All right, guys. So let's go see what the water lily looks like. So the water lily's actually doing not that bad. Like, it's still alive. Got the bubbler. It's like wanting to bloom. Oh, it's like a little bit of mold. Almost. Yeah, there's mold there too. That's kind of crappy, but other than that, like, it's not that bad. But yeah, the bubbler is working. Hopefully this can be an ongoing thing till the spring. Haha, look at this guy. Boom. Done. So, wasn't that great? It's like doing pretty good. So after that, I removed the oh, look at him, man. I think this is gonna be like one of the things I like love just to watch. My dad and my stepmother got this for me for my birthday because we were having all the heron problems, and it's just seriously fun to watch. Like, there was someone over at the road there. They just stopped and watched. And they were like, "What? Look at that thing!" I almost need to like drill it into my into the post so no one takes it. So yeah, I back to the water lily. I removed the flowers because they had some mold on them, and I just don't want it like. Oh, look at it! Oh, I don't even know it must be caught or something. Oh yeah, it's caught from underneath. Oh, there he goes. fixed himself. Sorry. Oh my God. Yeah, I just didn't want any of the mold getting into the water. There he goes, back to normal. Jeez. So I just took it out, but yeah, it's still like decent enough. We'll see what happens when the new lily pads come out. We'll see if they'll adjust to the water. It should. So, what's on tap this weekend? This weekend, there's a surprise. It's a typical thing I do this time of year. But please tune in and check it out. Always something going on here. I always got a plan. There's always something to do. Got to keep myself busy, right? I'm not really one of those people who likes to sit around and just kind of do nothing. I don't really watch TV. I'm making TV content. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. I like to stimulate my brain in other ways. So, another thing I need to do is typically, look at my guy, dead. Typically people put straw on top of this, I think, on strawberries. And most of these actually came from my neighbor over there. I had little ones that I got from my neighbor that's over there. But they didn't do as well. And the ones from my neighbor behind me, they're just running all over the place. So hopefully I have some strawberries next year. But I need to cover them. So I think all I'm going to do is put some leaves on top. We'll see. And then I still have garlic in the ground. My garlic's over there. I need to do that. All right. How about we go take a look from up here? Look at that. Such a great view from up here. Right. You're around the neighborhood. In the summer, before we had the pond, summer of 2020. Be like, this is the deck up here. It's actually 8 by 11 in the trees. So I did level it. It's not level. It leans a little to this side, just a bit. But I kind of figured that would happen. Just with the trees growing. So, look, they're all... Here, let's see if we can spy on the fish. They're all over there. So right now, because of the wind's just, well, you can see my man here, my bird flying to the north. It's north wind. I'm gonna get these leaves and rake them all up, or scoop them all up. All right. As well, guys, please remember to subscribe. Subscribe. Please. Like the video. And, yeah, just please do it. And share it all of it. All right, folks. So look, it's kind of clean. There's the fishies. Look at blue nose there. Hey, I gotta. Oh, let's see. It's hard to say. Like, I'm a size 13. Blue nose is definitely bigger than my shoe. I'd say blue nose is like 15, 16 inches, if not bigger. It's hard to tell. There they are. Oh, still looks amazing. It really does. There's a little spruce needles. Spruce tree over there. Well, and we got one here. Look at them go. Anyhow, please subscribe. Please like and please share. Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Thank you for all the support. I really, really, really am very grateful. And spread the word and keep on watching. Until next time.